Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Tahamid Tech YouTube channel. Your social media is it really safe? Every day, hackers are trying to steal your accounts, your data, even your identity. One small mistake, a weak password, or click a fake link, and boom, your account is gone. But it's not just about hacking. Spreading rumor or fake news can also harm people and society. So please always vary before you share anything. Do not spread misinformation and always try to keep yourself safe online. Use a strong password, turn on to two-factor authentication, and do not share your personal information with anyone. Never click phishing link, fake link, scam, and another old phishing site. Remember, your security is in your hands. Stay smart, stay safe, protect your social media account. Stay smart, stay safe, protect your social media account. Thank you for watching my video.